Hey y'all, it's your girl Lexi. I am here to talk to you about pharmacy. So excited for this year. This year, the company is just growing so much. It's just unbelievable. And there is just still so much room to grow that you are really at joining at a time um, that you can actually make a nice amount of money. I'll say that as a beauty influencer. Now, I do have to say that if you're not working it, you're not going to make any money. Point blank, period. You have to work your business. That's just what it is. You have to work it just like you would work anything else that you're working to make some money. So that's number one, a very important thing to recognize when you're getting started in a home-based business or a direct sales business is that you got to really want it, and you got to be willing to put in some work for you to benefit and relax in the future, right? So for pharmacy, we have an awesome starter pack where you only pay $19.99 to get started with the company. That's it. So when you come to, the website here, you are going to want to um, come down to the very bottom here where it talks about the opportunity plan. And you can check that out and you can look at it and review um, all the fun stuff about our company, how you can get started. Our starter pack is here. This is what you would get for $19.99. Now, at the time of signing up, you can also choose to add different product packs, to your starter kit. And you can only do this at the time that you get started. So you're going to want to know beforehand what you want to do. So you can make sure you have your money for adding on the different product packs. But you can just get the starter kit for $19.90, and you are a full beauty influencer. You have you immediately get your 50% discount on all of our products, and you get a free website. There's no fees, none of that stuff. You don't have to worry about having to pay any extra. Okay. Um, so once you came and you've looked over all this stuff, we will go back to the main page. On the main page is where you will actually get started. Um, let's see here. If you click on sign up right here, you're going to want to click sign up first, and you're going to want to come down here. You will choose beauty influencer. This is what you want to do. You don't want to do customer. You want to sign up as a beauty influencer. Okay. So you're going to choose that. And then you're going to go through all the sign up info, put in all of your info and all that fun stuff. And then you get started and you are in, okay? You'll be part of our team. You want to make sure that you see my name here when you're signing up as the person that you're shopping with, and I will be your personal sponsor. You'll be added into our group pages on Facebook, our groups actually on Facebook, where you can get some additional training. You can learn more about our products and things. We have a plethora of information and resources that are available for you. So you will not be alone in this journey. You'll have me, you'll have other beauty influencers as well who can help you along the way. So thank you so much for watching this video. And I cannot wait to talk to you again once you get started with the company. So thank you so much. And feel free, if you have any questions, to reach out and talk to me. Thank you.